Hello students, in this video we will see how to download R and R Studio. So for downloading R and R Studio, go to the Google and type R download. Just click enter. So it will redirect you on R sites. Yes, here you can see it will redirect you to these sites, and just click on the first site. So for downloading R Studio, we required R first. So just click on the first link. Here you will get download R for Windows. Here I want to download R for Windows, that's why I'm clicking on this. I have already clicked on this link and here my download will already started. So that's why I'm skipping this. If you go to the next link, here you can see first I want the base R, so that's why I'm clicking here install R for the first time, or just click on the base. So again it will redirect you on the same link. So here you can see my download will finish in few seconds. So after that, next I want to download the R Studio. So again on Google I am typing R Studio download for Windows. Here you can see that download R Studio. Now I want to there are you can see here there are various versions are there. I want this desktop version and which is free, so that's why I'm clicking on this tab, download R Studio for Windows. So it will take few minutes to download. So by that time we will install the R. So here you can see my R is already downloaded. I'm just opening that file. Yes, after that this R for Windows setup, just click on the yes button. Select language English, then click on the next. I want this installation on C drive, click on next. Yes, just keep all this as a default, click on the next. Please specify, just make that default R. Next I want to create desktop shortcut icon, so that's why I'm clicking on this. Click on next. So it will installing. So you can see here my R Studio is downloaded, and again this R is also installing. Yes, just click on the finish button. Now you will see on the desktop, here my R is there. Just double click on it. You can see here my R console is there. So I have successfully download and install the R. Now next task is I want to download the RStudio. So for that I have already downloaded it. Just again double click on it. Show in folder. Just press enter. Just click on the yes. Again yes. Click on the next. Here again I want RStudio in C colon. Install. It will take some time to install. So here you can see my RStudio setup is complete. Click on the finish. Now if you want to go to the RStudio, so you can type RStudio. Here you can see the RStudio is there. Click on that. It will take some time to open. Yes, you can see here the RStudio window is there. Yes, here you can see that the console window is there. This is the environment window, and here you can see the files are there. If you have drawn some plots, so you can see plots over here, some packages over here. Help window is there. Again viewer tab is there, so you can see the way here various tabs are there. Again here you can see the environment tab is there, history tab is there, connections and tutorials are there. So from here you can, if you want to see the history, you can see the history. In environment, again the environments variables, or you can see the environment from here. You can see here this is the console window. Here it is a terminal window. In terminal window you can see the output. So now suppose I want to see the current path or current working directory. So through this get wd I can see the current working directory. For running, just press Ctrl Enter. So you can see here my current working directory is